Storms Tech Channel here, and today I'm doing a review about the iPhone 14 Plus for Metro by T-Mobile. So the iPhone 14 Plus is now here at Metro. It is in stock as I'm recording this video, October 8th, almost 1:30 in the morning here. Y'all guys have 5 colors to choose from. You guys have Starlight color, which is like a white color, blue, silver, red, and midnight color options. So yeah, there's no silver option. That's purple here. So yeah, 128 gigabytes of storage, and that's only storage option that Metro has for the iPhone 14 Plus. So the iPhone 14 Plus looks like the iPhone 13, except for it has like newer internals, except for the chipset. It's the same as last year's iPhone. So yeah. So you guys have front and back there, your notch for your front-facing camera there, earpiece, power button on the right side, volume keys on the left side, along with your alert switch, dual cameras in the back, camera flash, Apple logo. There's the back there. There's a closer look at the dual cameras, camera flash, and there's the front right there. Alright. Also, it's $829.99. The iPhone 14 Plus. The full retail price is $929.99 for the 128 gigabyte version. However, if you guys switch to Metro, bring your number of the Metro, y'all guys can get the iPhone 14 Plus for $629.99. You saving $300. I think it's a great deal if you guys are switching to Metro. Why not check it out? So yeah. Features: dual 12 megapixel wide and ultra wide cameras, 12 megapixel true depth front camera, 20 hours of talk time, 6.7 inch Super Retina XDR display, 2778 by 1284 pixel resolution, weird ass resolutions that Apple has on their phones. Other features, like I said, 6.7 inch Super Retina XDR display, advanced dual camera system, cinematic mode, emergency SOS via satellite, all-day battery life, splash, water and dust resistance, IP68 rating for that, iOS 16, 5G connectivity of course, which is pretty much standard now, 4K Dolby Vision HDR recording, up to 26 hours of video playback. iPhone 14 Plus, think big with a larger 6.7 inch display and all-day battery life. Capture stunning photos in low light and bright light with the new dual camera system. Get peace of mind with groundbreaking safety features. Shop for the all-new iPhone 14 Plus and unleash the power of T-Mobile's 5G network, tapping into extended range 5G for broad coverage and ultra capacity 5G for super fast speeds in more places. All data plans include access to 5G with T-Mobile. Explore iPhone 14 Plus, specs, reviews, and find the available colors and storage sizes for sale today. And here are some quick facts about the iPhone 14 Plus. You guys know these are just extra information, extra nuggets of information here if you guys haven't forgotten about it or whatever. So when was the iPhone 14 Plus released? October 7, 2022. Today's October 8th as I'm recording this video. What colors are available for the iPhone 14 Plus? The iPhone 14 Plus is available in 5 colors: red, midnight, starlight, purple, and blue color options. I said silver earlier, but there is no silver option. I thought it was silver because it looked like silver, but it was actually purple, so my bad. So what are the storage options for the iPhone 14 Plus? The iPhone 14 Plus has 3 memory storage options: 128 gigs, 256 gigs, or 5 gigabytes of storage. I think Metro only has the 128 gigabyte version of the iPhone 14 Plus. Alright. Specs: battery, built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery, lightning port for charging, connectivity, Wi-Fi 802.11ax, Bluetooth 5.3, NFC, voice over LTE, A15 Bionic chip, which was last year's iPhone chip from last year. Y'all have iOS 16 of course, 4G LTE, 5G of course, supported email platform, internet compatibilities, wireless emergency alert, mobile hotspot, frequencies, weight 7.16 ounces, width 0.31 inches, height 6.33 inches, width 3.7 inches. What comes in the box is your iPhone 14 Plus, USB-C to the lightning cable, documentation. That is it. There is no charger in the box, so you guys will have to provide your own charger if you guys don't have one. Alright, so yeah, there you guys have it. The iPhone 14 Plus is now here at Metro. It is in stock as I'm recording this video. All color options are in stock, and it's available now for $929.99 for retail price, or $629.99 if you guys put over the Metro, which is a great deal for new customers. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.